Hi, this is Kenny Ingram, and I'm here to create a video to help you with your YouTube videos. When you create a video, you have to find the keyword that you want to use for it so that it gets indexed. You want to do a whole bunch of other tactics. So we've actually brought up a video that we created for key money, which is a cryptocurrency coin, and we're going to use that as an example. So step one, what we did was we used a tool called Keywords Everywhere. And if you go to keywordseverywhere.com, you can install it for Chrome or you can install it for Firefox. Once it's installed, if you go to Google or a search engine and type in the keyword that you want to search for, since key money is a cryptocurrency, we typed in cryptocurrency as the search term, and as far as related keywords, it shows us that cryptocurrency news is the highest one with 550,000 searches per month. It's the volume, cost per click, and the competition. So we like to get them, anywhere from 300 to 1,000, but cryptocurrency examples, that's probably one of the best that we can use for our video because it's not really mining or for dummies or for an exchange. So we'll use that as our keyword. So this is our document that we use and prepare for whenever we're doing YouTube videos. Our title is Key Money, the Cryptocurrency Example. That will be the new money platform. And then we want to use the keyword in the description as well, cryptocurrency example. And then since it's an affiliate site, we have our affiliate link and then features introducing it, text that we're going to put in the YouTube description. And then YouTube also allows you to put in hashtags. So we chose 3 hashtags: the key money, cryptocurrency, and new money platform. So we have our keyword and our hashtags, and actually you can use some of the other keywords that are listed in Keywords Everywhere and use those as your hashtags. Then next, when we upload our video, YouTube is going to give us the ability to put in different tags. I want to show you a good tool to use to get your tags. rapidtags.io is a nice tool to use for your tags. Click on Use Tools for free, then click on Use version 2, and then type in the keyword that we found, cryptocurrency example, and then search. And it gave us all these tags: cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency news, Bitcoin. So what we do is we copy those, hit the copy, and it says that it was copied to the clipboard, and then we go back to our document and we paste them down here for our tags. So now we got our keyword, our hashtags, and our tags. We have the title and we have the description. So we're ready to upload our video. So we uploaded our video, and you can see here that we have our title with our cryptocurrency example keyword in there. Then we've got the cryptocurrency example keyword in the description. Then we have a disclaimer. Since this is an affiliate product, we have to use our disclaimer. And then there's our hashtags. And another thing that you'll notice over here on the right is this tool that gives us an overview of the video. It shows our video score, it shows how many views per hour, total views, it shows us our social engagement rate, and all these other different stats that are very helpful to help get your video noticed better, indexed better. This is called vidIQ, and it's an extension for Chrome. So if you do a search for vidIQ and install it for your Chrome browser, it'll give you all these statistics, which are incredibly powerful. Our social engagement is bad because we actually haven't shared it. If you click on share from your video, it'll allow you to share it to your social sites such as Twitter, Facebook, Blogger, Reddit, and Tumblr. And then once you share it there, it'll show that your social engagement is a whole lot better. If you hover over the box, it'll describe what it does. Something else you'll want to do is the ability to create a custom thumbnail for your video, because once your video is uploaded, people are going to look at the thumbnail to see what it's about. So if you search for YouTube video thumbnails, you should be able to find a link for YouTube help on adding video thumbnails. And basically what they want you to do is just to verify your account. So if you scroll down here, you'll see create a custom video thumbnail. Must have a verified account. So you click on there and they'll send you a text or a phone call, and then you put in the code, and then it'll say congratulations, your YouTube account is verified. So then when you click continue, it'll bring you to your YouTube account and show you in one of the boxes that is actually enabled. So down here, custom thumbnails is enabled. So that way you can actually add kind of suggestions or poses at the end of your video to kind of like point to the title of your video, or make a crazy face or something like that, and then take a screenshot of that and create a picture and then add that as your thumbnail. You can go to canva.com and create a nice little picture. And well, let me show you. If you go to canva.com, you can either create an account or sign in with your Google account, and then you do a search for YouTube thumbnail, and it gives you a bunch of templates you can use, or you can upload it. So you would upload the picture that you saved on your computer and add text to it and make a nice little thumbnail out of it. So you click on uploads and then upload an image or video. The thumbnail has to be 1280 by 720 as far as size. So we're not going to go into a tutorial on how to use Canva, but it's kind of like drag and drop, where you add text and put whatever you want on your picture and overlap. And then you save it as an image, but you want it to be named the same as your keyword. So we would name it as cryptocurrency example, because when we upload it, it's going to have that name attached to the file name, and Google likes that. And then one final service that we would like to suggest is on Fiverr.com. You can actually create an account, log in, and then do a search. We did a search for video submissions because we want to get our video not only on YouTube but everywhere else, so that it gets noticed, it gets eyes. So we did a search for video submissions, and these are gigs that people will do for money. This guy will manually make your video submission on 85 video sharing sites such as Vimeo or Flickr, and a whole 85 of them. So that way you get your video listed on several sites. I mean, it costs anywhere starting at $5, but it's a good way to get it out there, especially if you want more eyes on your video. I hope I've given you some ideas on how to get your video ranked and more eyes looking on it. So if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and then click on the bell notification so you get notified of other videos that we do. We look forward to helping you out as much as we can in the future and hope to see you on our next video.